Another day, another chance, another way, another dance. Today I'll be discussing to you all about like Node.js. So Node.js really it's pretty much like JavaScript, except it makes use of Node. It makes use of like Node.js, right? So Node, what it does is it gives us a shell, and in that shell we pretty much copy all of our code, run it, and then pretty much decipher any part of it that you want to decipher. Let's say you want to do our console log, so you pretty much run type in console log, you run our console log, and then you'll pop up. So I'll be doing this project with a good friend of mine. His name is Aiden, and he'll be my navigator. So let me just share my screen so that my navigator can be able to like see everything that he needs to see. Then yeah, that's what's gonna happen. All right, so let's go. Let's rock and roll. So obviously I debugged everything. So use strict. So use strict pretty much enables strict mode in JavaScript, helps catch errors, prevents unsafe actions like using undeclared variables, and enforces cleaner code practices. 3 plus 3 simple arithmetic expressions that adds 3 plus 3. The result 6 is not stored or printed, so it's just evaluated and ignored. 3 divided by 0, division by 0. JavaScript returns infinity, not error like in some languages. Console log hello universe prints the message hello universe to the console. Then let name equals so prints the message hello universe to the console. Step over. Damn. Let name equals Chidamaqele, declares a variable named name and assigns it the string value Chidamaqele. Console log name logs the value of the variable name Chidamaqele to the console. To the console. Then class Go defines a class named Go. Then classes are blueprints for creating objects with uh, spec- specific properties and methods. So class Go eats food type. Method eats takes one argument, which is food type. It logs a message saying what the food goat loves to eat. That Billy equals new goat creates a new instance object of the goat class and assigns it to the variable Billy. Billy that eats tin cans calls the eat method on the Billy object, passing tin cans as an argument. Output I love eating tin cans. So that's what it is. So obviously with anything in like your terminal, Node.js, right? So what happens is, right, you got node, right? You run node dot help for more information dot help. So node gives us a shell, and in that shell press dot help, right? Dot help gives us like everything that we need, all the instructions that we need, and then press, and then what happens is we take all our code, copy it, and then we're gonna paste it into our shell, run it, and then our computer will be able to read all our functions. Pretty much be able to read out all our code. So as you can see here, this is all the code that we pretty much have here. So obviously what I did was I tried to run node reply.js, but it says unquote syntax error, unexpected identify reply, then console. And obviously I ran console and then just gave us the functions for it. Console log name, jitterbug. So it's obviously console log name is gonna be jitterbug. Class go eat food type, uncontained text error, unexpected identify, eat food type, unquote reference error, food type is not defined. Let Billy, so this is syntax error, Billy that eat function eat, Billy that eat tin cans. I love eating tin cans. And then let name, unquote syntax error, identify name has already been declared. Just constant log hello universe, constant log I love eating, food type, icon reference error, type is not defined, Billy that eat tin cans, I love eating tin cans, new go, and then curly brackets, then Billy, then go, then class go, use strict. So this enables strict mode JavaScript, helps catch errors, prevent unsafe actions, like using undeclared variables and enforce cleaner code practices. So obviously 3 plus 3 equals 6. So as you can see, I copied everything down. So let me do this. Dot log name that JDML. So you got that, and then you got console dot log. What the hell? What in the damn world did I do? Hello.